Hello students, I am Miss Darshna. Today we will continue with grammar story 2. You already know that before we have discussed one story. So today we are going to discuss another story. So before we will start our story, I request you all please open page number 135 of grammar textbook. You will get here the picture story, right? You can see on page number 135 in the grammar textbook exercise C. Look at the pictures and write a meaningful story. So here we are having this beautiful story with pictures. If you will turn the page of your textbook, so you can get the pictures. But before we will discuss outlines of this story, so you can use the phrases and sentences given below in your story. So here we are having outlines, right? Cap seller, 10 caps for sale, tired, fell asleep. So here let's start our story. So here this cap seller, 10 caps for sale, tired, fell asleep. These are the outlines of the story, and the story will begin last to second line. Here you can see on the screen also 10 monkeys, right? So the heading I would like to give of the story, that the monkeys and the cap seller, right? So this is the heading of the story, the monkeys and the cap seller. So let's start. I will read this story for you so you can understand. Okay. So children, in the beginning we will start this way, that 10 monkeys were sitting in the tree, each wearing a cap. He hit upon an idea. He took his cap off his head and threw it down. The monkeys imitated him. So here these were the some important lines were there. Now if you will see the page number 136, here you can see the pictures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the next page you are having 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 pictures we have, and we have to use these pictures and we have to make the story. So let's start our story. Once there was a cap seller in a town. One fine day, after he made a few sales of caps, he became very tired. He decided to sit under a big tree to take rest for a while. Soon he fell asleep. There were 10 monkeys sitting on the tree. They saw the cap seller sleeping under the tree. The monkeys came down, took the caps from the cap seller's bag and wore them. Then they climbed back the tree again. When the cap seller woke up, he was shocked to see his basket empty. He then looked up and saw the monkeys wearing the cap. He also found that the monkeys were imitating him. So he started throwing his cap down, and the monkeys also did so. The cap seller collected all the caps, put them back in his basket, and went away happily. So I hope you have enjoyed this story. So children, write this story in your grammar classwork notebook with beautiful handwriting and learn this story. So till next video, please write it in your classwork notebook, grammar classwork notebook, and enjoy this story and learn it. Thank you.